Hi everyone, my name is Emma. I want to share some experiences from my life. Last year, I joined an English club. I felt nervous on the first day. I did not know anybody there. A friendly girl started a conversation with me. She asked me about my hobbies. I told her that I love music and travel. We spoke for almost an hour. The atmosphere felt warm and relaxed. I met people from different countries. One man came from Spain. Another student lived in Poland before. We shared funny stories together. Somebody talked about a difficult trip. Another person described a strange hotel. I listened carefully to every story. The conversations helped me feel confident. I learned many new English words. After the meeting, we drank tea together. We laughed a lot during the evening. One student showed photos from Italy. The pictures looked beautiful. I asked many questions about the trip. The club became an important place for me. I started visiting it every week. My speaking skills improved slowly. I also became less shy. That experience changed my attitude toward English. I still remember that first meeting very clearly. 2 years ago, I traveled alone for the first time. I visited a small town near the sea. My family worried about the journey. I packed my bag very carefully. I brought comfortable shoes and warm clothes. The train ride lasted 4 hours. I watched green fields through the window. The weather looked cloudy that morning. I felt excited and afraid at the same time. After arrival, I searched for my hotel. A local woman helped me find the street. She spoke slowly because I looked confused. Her kindness made me smile. The hotel stood near the beach. My room had a small balcony. I could hear the sound of the waves. During the trip, I tried many new activities. I walked along the coast every evening. I also visited an old museum. The guide told interesting stories about sailors. One afternoon, I tasted seafood for the first time. The dish smelled unusual but delicious. I took many photos during the holiday. Some pictures showed colorful boats. Others captured beautiful sunsets. On the final day, I bought small gifts for my friends. The journey taught me independence. I discovered that I can solve problems alone. That trip gave me unforgettable memories. Since then, I enjoy traveling much more. When I was younger, I struggled with cooking. Every meal looked terrible at first. I often burned vegetables in the pan. My sister laughed at my mistakes. One day, I decided to improve my skills. I watched simple cooking videos online. I wrote recipes in a small notebook. The first successful meal was soup. It tasted much better than my earlier dishes. My parents looked surprised during dinner. They asked for another bowl of soup. Their reaction made me proud. After that evening, I practiced more often. I learned how to prepare pasta. Later, I tried baking cakes. Baking felt more difficult for me. Sometimes the cake became too dry. Other times, the sugar tasted too strong. I refused to give up. Step by step, I improved. Last winter, I cooked for 10 guests. Everybody enjoyed the food. One friend even asked for my recipe. Cooking changed my daily routine. It also helped me relax after work. I enjoy trying dishes from other countries. Italian food became my favorite choice. I still make small mistakes sometimes. However, I feel much more confident in the kitchen. Learning this skill gave me patience and discipline. A funny experience happened during a bus trip. I traveled to another city for a concert. Everything seemed normal at the beginning. I listened to music during the ride. Suddenly, The bus stopped on a quiet road. The driver explained that the engine had a problem. All passengers looked worried. Some people started making phone calls. Others walked outside for fresh air. I sat beside an elderly woman. She started telling me stories from her youth. Her adventures sounded fascinating. She traveled across Europe many years ago. She described long train rides and busy stations. Her stories helped everybody stay calm. Another passenger shared chocolate with us. A young man played guitar near the bus. People even started singing together. The difficult situation slowly became enjoyable. After 2 hours, another bus arrived. Everybody clapped for the new driver. We finally continued the journey. I reached the concert late. Luckily, the main singer had not appeared yet. The music sounded amazing that night. I danced with strangers near the stage. The audience looked energetic and happy. During the return trip, I thought about the experience. Problems sometimes create unexpected memories. That strange journey still makes me smile. One of my happiest memories comes from childhood. Every summer, my family visited my grandparents. They lived in a peaceful village. The area had forests, rivers, and fields. I spent most days outside. My grandfather taught me how to ride a bicycle. At first, I felt very scared. I fell several times on the road. My knees hurt after every fall. Still, my grandfather encouraged me kindly. He never became angry or impatient. One sunny afternoon, I finally balanced correctly. I rode across the street without help. My grandmother clapped loudly from the garden. I felt extremely proud of myself. Later, we celebrated with homemade pie. The pie smelled sweet and fresh. My grandmother prepared it with apples from her garden. During those summers, life felt simple and calm. I played with neighborhood children every evening. We invented games near the river. Sometimes we watched the stars together. The nights looked quiet and beautiful. Those moments taught me to enjoy small things. I learned the importance of family support. My grandparents always listened to me carefully. They gave useful advice about life. I miss those summers very much. Their stories still stay in my mind. Childhood memories can remain powerful for many years. Last spring, I decided to start dancing lessons. I had never danced in a group before. The idea sounded exciting but challenging. My friend invited me to join her class. We entered a bright dance studio together. Music played loudly from large speakers. The teacher welcomed everybody with a smile. She showed us basic movements first. I copied her steps very slowly. My coordination felt terrible in the beginning. I moved in the wrong direction many times. Other students looked more experienced than me. I almost lost motivation after the second lesson. My friend encouraged me to continue. She reminded me that progress takes time. I practiced at home every evening. Little by little, my movements improved. I became more comfortable during classes. The teacher noticed my hard work. She complimented my energy and effort. Her words gave me confidence. After several months, our group performed on stage. Many people watched the performance. Bright lights shined above us. I felt nervous before the music started. Then I remembered all the practice sessions. The performance went better than expected. The audience applauded loudly at the end. Trying a new activity changed my routine completely. That experience taught me to believe in myself.
Leave a comment under this video and one of you will get 40 English lessons for free.